How to hide highlights on Instagram without deleting. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to hide highlights on Instagram without deleting. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap profile at bottom right corner of your screen. At the top, you can easily see the highlights. Simply tap on the highlights that you want to remove or hide. Select the three dots at bottom right and a menu appears. Tap on Remove from Highlight and tap Remove Photo. After that, you simply need to select the three-bar menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Here you need to select Archive. And on this section, you can easily find the same photo or post in your story archive. And that's it. That is how you can easily hide highlights on Instagram without deleting. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.